Thank you for being part of the MESA Robotics Invitational that will occur on November 21st here at UC Riverside at the Bourne College of Engineering, more specifically in Bourne Hall and Chung Ha. You're going to have a nice, healthy little walk to get here. But thank you for being part of this event. But the I guess the purpose of this short presentation is to give all of you a visual of what our competition is going to look like, or what your challenges are going to look like more specifically. You have your field diagram, so you have your distances, but it's great to visualize, to see what our targets are going to be like, what our challenges are going to be like. So hopefully this sheds some light into the challenge and will help you make your last minute preparations for the event. So of course the basic premise of this is a standard thumbtack, your robot using this thumbtack, positioning it somewhere on your robot to pop our targets, which are 12-inch latex balloons. These are 12-inch latex balloons of various colors. We will also have various colors in our targets. Not as many as here. We're not going to have the pretty purple and pink and stuff, but we'll have different colors for the balloons, for the targets. And the idea, of course, is to do this. It's very easy to pop a balloon with a thumbtack, but of course none of this is obviously that straightforward. They're little robots that you have to tell exactly what to do, and of course wouldn't be a challenge without making things challenging. So middle school. For our middle school challenge, of course, we have our stationary target field and our agility and performance field, the head-to-head field. For the stationary target field, we have 6 challenges that are positioned on this board. And we're going to position them as best we can to the specifications you see on the field diagram. The high places and low places, this is kind of a picture of what the high places and the low places look like. High place is basically a balloon placed in looks like a cup that is around 6.75 inches off the ground. So that could be on one corner. And then the other corner, we're going to have the low places challenge, which is basically a balloon placed in the cup 3 inches off the ground. Both of the cups are weighted, as you can see, for stability. But one thing that we will notice for this on this field is that the balloons will not be attached to using any adhesive, at least, to the different I guess the different areas. So this balloon is just going to be placed inside this cup. As you can see it's inside it, and the same idea will apply for all the 4 other challenges, I guess, on this field. This is the hanger. The hanger is basically a structure, a Lego structure with a balloon inside of it, with the front being opened, the front of the structure. On the field specification, you see how big this opening is, but essentially this is what this is going to be about. The sides might not be this open, but the idea is that the front will be open. This is the moving target, essentially a balloon on a vehicle, on a little Lego vehicle. So you can see the vehicle will not be anchored, will not be glued to the ground or anything. Obviously, the balloon will be secured on the vehicle, but the idea, of course, is that this vehicle can easily move. This is the wah. Very basic, a balloon behind a wah. And that's kind of what the wah will look like. It'll probably be all yellow or derivations of yellow and black, but this is kind of what it looks like. Collateral damage is a balloon in the middle of 4 I suppose spectators, Lego people. The idea is to destroy this target without knocking over any of these good folks right here. So that's what this is going to look like. And again, this is not going to be it's going to be placed here, but it's not going to be taped or glued to the board. It will be in between them, and you have to pop it without damaging these guys. Well, there you go. We wish you the best of luck with everything, and if you have any other questions, let your MESA advisor know. We'll see you on the 21st.